Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we are with the Chevy Tahoe. Bonnet up, thinking, has he got his first problem? No. This is the first service I'm going to do on the Chevy Tahoe. It needs an oil change. I bought some new spark plugs as well, so I'm going to whack them in. So far so good. The Tahoe's performed great. It's great at pulling trailers. Don't have any warning lights on the dashboard like you do with a Range Rover constantly. So yeah, this is why I've bought a Chevy Tahoe. I've gone down the reliability route. So anyway, let's get on with this oil change. That's what I like about this thing as well. I don't need a jack. Look at this. Let's have a look under here then, shall we? Right. That looks like it there. Oh, this is class. Look at this. There's no oil leaks on this thing. So this out, it's still got the stickers on this, on the chassis. Fantastic. Try this. Right. Make sure you put plenty of cardboard down. See, that's where we need to get at. Oh, that cat's quite hot. I'm hoping this is going to be quite easy. I'll have to judge this. Don't want this to go all over. Mother's drive and all that. Go. Oh, you naughty boy. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, that's quite a squirt of that, isn't it? Whoops. So that looks not too bad. We've got a nice AC Delco. I like to use the Shell Helix oil. 530. Guys, this is what I like to do. To put on there. That's what I like to do. Put a little bit of oil in there. Just get your little finger, put it down on the rubber, just like there. Just like there. It'll be easier to get off the next time. Try and hold this up nice and straight to where it's gonna go. And something else that's easy to get at. And make sure she goes on straight and not cross-threaded. And you see, and you don't over tighten these. That'll do. Made a bit of a mess, like. Look at this, just everything is just so easy to get out on this car. Okay, I'm going to give her some new oil now. Even says it on the top, great oil you'll use. Fine. Put a little funnel on there, that fits in there lovely. Good old boy special. Right, let's chuck some oil in it. Don't want to get it all over. Gently does it, Jess. Wait. Lovely jubbly. This is the most important ingredients in an engine, is its oil. On a Range Rover, you need to be doing this every 5,000 miles. Like I'll be doing this every 5,000 miles, not 10 to 15,000 miles, which the service people tell you to do. Bullshit. And there's one. Don't take much more, it's only a small block. Ooh, look, we've got a dipstick. Something else you don't get on an L405. Right guys, that was the easiest oil change I've ever done. One, no under trays with 1,000,000 bolts. That takes about half an hour on the L405. I'm not slagging the Range Rover off because I do like them. But I'm sick of the problems they have. You know, they're unreliable. So this is why I've gone the Chevy Tahoe. Oil filter, 11 quid. 8 spark plugs, get this, £12. And the iridium as well. 12 quid for 8 spark plugs. What's going on there? Yeah, oil filter, £11. The oil, I use the Shell Helix 530 oil. I bought 2 5-litre oil because I wasn't quite sure how much it took. Guess what? It takes 5 litres of oil. That's it. That's including filling the little oil filter up as well. So the other stuff can use just for top up or next oil change, which will be in 5,000 miles. So again, guys, change your oil every 5,000 miles and hopefully you'll have 0 issues with your engine, unless you've got a Range Rover.